We reached 1,000 subscribers. A heartfelt thank you to everyone who has supported Gym Project. From tiny walls and little rooms to all the small details that bring these miniature houses to life, every project has been a journey. And I'm so happy you're here to be part of it. Reaching 1,000 subscribers is an incredible milestone for me. Your likes, comments, shares, and support inspire me to keep creating more beautiful miniature houses and DIY projects. This little channel is growing into a wonderful community, and I couldn't have done it without you. Thank you for being part of the Gym Project family. 1,000 subscribers today. Many more miniature dreams to build together. Stay tuned for more tiny houses, creative ideas, and exciting DIY projects.